Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Summit Reserve in Silver Zenith. With HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 21-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-path detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 14,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, heated second row seats, panoramic sunroof, 10.1-inch rear entertainment, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7411.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.